just going to draw a line like that. So it makes it look more 3D. And then here we're going to draw an arm, overlapping the lines we've drawn, and a sideways V, and then we've got 2 feet. So one curved line going down, and another one doing the same thing, and a circle at the end of it. And then another arm coming out. We're not going to finish it because we want it to go behind our cereal bowl, so we're just going to leave it like that. And then we need to write milk. Doing milk slightly sideways because the box is going diagonally. And there we have it, our milk carton is finished. Now we're going to move over to our right hand side of the page to start on with our bowl. So for our cereal bowl, we're going to do it just in line with where the arm is coming out on our milk carton. And I'm going to draw a sloping line going from left to right. Then I'm going to bring it down, and then I'm going to make sure the line goes all the way across and back up, and connect that at the bottom. And then we're going to draw a sideways C shape going from left to right, and the same down there. And then we're going to connect those two with a sloping line. So for the cereal, it's a smaller circle and a bigger circle going around it. So you draw a small circle and then a big circle around it. We'll do that a few more times. And then we can continue that until our bowl looks full. Your bowl is full, we can now add the details to the bowl. First I'm going to draw a circle for the eye, doing 2 circles in the middle for the highlight, and I'm going to add eyelashes. And then for this one I'm going to make it look like the bowl's winking, so for that I just need to do an upside down U and add 2 eyelashes on the end. And then for the mouth I'm going to draw a straight line going across, and then a big U at the bottom, and then an upside down U inside for the tongue. Now for the arm I'm going to add a line coming out and a ball at the end, and then I'm going to do the same for the milk with a ball at the end. And then above that I'm going to add a love heart. And then for the other arm I'm going to add a little line coming out on the right hand side and a ball at the end. And then for the feet, 2 little lines and a circle, and there you have it. Now all we need to do is to colour. And there you have it, your cute kawaii style milk and cereal bowl. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.